Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. On this channel we talk about poultry farming. We motivate each other and share daily lifestyle. In today's video guys, I'm super excited that our birds are finally here. We finally received our birds after waiting for quite a long time. Imagine we ordered for these birds in December last year. We were supposed to receive them in January, but the person who was supposed to deliver them kept on changing, postponing the date until this March, when we are finishing it almost. So when he delivered them. But we thank God that we finally got our birds. They are now here with us. We are so happy that they are all doing well so far. We have not got any mortality. We thank God for that. So let us do this together as a family. The brooding is going on. They are almost making 1 week. Yes, even if we delayed, but at least we've got them. We so much wanted to start in January, because by that time the feeds were not all that expensive. Yes, let's do this together as a family. The birds are doing well. They are eating well, drinking well. They don't have any problem so far. We are hoping for the good results. Yes.